With all of the piping design done with NX routing, why recreate the system for 1D simulation? Piping systems created using NX mechanical routing can be exported to SimCenter Flowmaster using the piping component file. The 3D model can then be imported into SimCenter Flowmaster. Model creation takes seconds instead of hours or even days. Connections are automatically made and all geometric data is added. With a few steps, the system is ready for analysis, saving up to 90% of the time needed to create the model.